All right, this is April 17th, 2020. Now, we've taken 1 pound of our ore and we're going to run it through Aqua Regia. This is the pound right there that was just dumped into the bucket. So, we're going to just kind of do that with it. Okay, now we have 400 milliliters of Aqua Regia, which we're going to go ahead and pour into that container. So let me get my gloves and we will go ahead and do that. So, and you will see, and then we will stir it up. So we are so here we go. Okay, that is Aqua Regia. Now we're going to go ahead and stir it up so that you'll be able to see that we are going to do this. So okay, we're turning it so you can see it's just a little bit. Put that in water. Just a little bit, 500 milliliters. So we're going to turn this up right here and let you see it boil a little bit and heat it up so as you can see it. And you're going to watch it. It should get kind of a golden color. So this is what we're watching right now. And then I'm just going to let it sit over the weekend. So, alright. So we will watch it turn. As you can see, we put 1 part nitric and 3 parts hydrochloric acid in it, the way it's supposed to be. And so we're just going to let it gurgle around a little bit so as you'll be able to see it. And it'll start bubbling here before too much longer. So there, you're starting to see it. A bubble here, a bubble there. There we go. Okay. Going to stir it some more. All right. All right. We'll check on it later. All right. You can see the fumes that it is working. So anyway, now we're just going to let it sit, and I'm going to let it sit through the weekend. Bye. All right, you can see how the color changed. It went from very light yellow to orange. So that also shows that there's some other metals inside there as well. So we'll pick this back up on Monday. Okay, this is Monday, and we let it sit over the weekend, and we're getting ready to heat it back up because we're going to go ahead and try and see what we get out of this morning. Over the weekend, we left some of that, and we came out with this kind of as you can see, it's kind of kind of a maroon, wine colored. There was some stuff that dropped in it over the weekend, so we're going to filter this off and see what we got as well. So from the other stuff, so we are going back to this to see what we get out. All right. Okay, we'll be back in touch a little bit later. Bye. Alright, right now we're getting ready to boil some water. So that way we can pour it across what we've got and see what kind of a sponge we have that's nitric acid free. Alright, thank you. Alright, well this is what we have in from leftover from the weekend. And right now I'm dropping stuff into it. It's sitting on a heat plate to go ahead and make it so that we can see, as you'll be able to see here for too much longer. This is the reaction that we're getting. If we look down further, we can see some of the reactions from it. It is dropping, but it's just a little bit slow right now. Well, we're just going to let it sit now, so back a little bit later. Alright, we're draining it off so I can run it through some hot water and get the nitric and the acid off of it so that we can go ahead and let it dry and see what kind of a sponge we got. That was from what we finished up over the weekend. There was another one that we ran, and it gave me a really good look at 16 grams of this. That looks real good. We're going to dry it and put it in the furnace and see what we get. This is out of a different Aqua Regia deal that we did. Let it set for the weekend. This is the way it came out. So. Alright, we're getting ready to go ahead and wash this in boiling water to get the nitric off and let it dry and then put it into a furnace. Goodbye. Okay, we put our 54-gram sponge in here from what we got yesterday, and so we will see what we get now. Alright, let you watch it for a few minutes as it heats up. So alright, as soon as it gets the temperature, we'll pour it. Okay, it's been going about 30 seconds, and you can see it's getting ready to melt. So we'll just keep going until we get ready to pour it. Alright, bye. Alright, we're getting ready to pour this. And here we go. Alright, we're getting closer. That's the cone, and that's the button. Okay, what we got from yesterday's sponge is 1 gram of a button. And right there it is, and I'll move in so you can see it. We're going to take it and get it XRF'd so that you'll be able to know what is in this button. So that's what we got, 1 gram. Alright, thanks, bye.